My name is Golan Ben-Oni. I am the Chief Information Officer for IDT Corporation. We started in the 90s in the communications field as a telecommunications company. We typically will create new companies, spin them off, try to bring them public, and so on. IDT began moving into the cloud in 2009. Security has to play an interesting hybrid role. On one hand, it's got to make sure that our intellectual property doesn't get leaked. But at the same time, security cannot be a hindrance to the business. The only way to really make that successful is to surround yourselves with organizations like Adallom that employ smart individuals that really understand the problem well. Adallom stands out for me as an organization for 4 reasons. It's an organization that provides us with visibility into the cloud. Without visibility, you're operating in the dark. The second thing that Adallom has done for us is to allow us to automate the responses to some of the activities that we've seen within the cloud. Automation is absolutely critical to any security program because our adversaries are utilizing automation. If you are deploying people against automation, inevitably you will lose that battle. So Adallom is providing us with those capabilities. Another important point here is that there are many tools, there are many solutions out there. At one time, IDT ran about 95 different security tools within the organization. So Adallom is an example of an organization that is working very nicely with our software ecosystem partners to make sure that their advantages are felt throughout the organization. The fourth pillar is having a very strong research team. Many vendors who don't maintain threat research teams end up developing products that may not be a specific fit. Adallom is an example of a vendor that I don't feel that I need to educate. They understand the landscape, they understand the problems, and they work closely with our labs to identify risks that are specific to IDT, put out fires today with an eye towards the future. Israel is a country that is heavily targeted. The individuals that are involved in protecting the country and the infrastructure eventually move on to go work for commercial organizations like Adallom. So they come to the game with many years of experience. So if I were to give an advice to any organization that's taking a cloud journey, it would be to work closely with partners like Adallom to make sure that they've got their bases covered as they put data and migrate applications into the cloud.